In the vast agricultural landscape of China, an industry is flourishing that combines beauty with business. Peacock farming is no longer just a hobby for exotic bird lovers. It has transformed into a highly profitable sector, supplying feathers, live birds, and even rare delicacies to a growing global market. With modern farming techniques and rising demand, farmers in China are unlocking new opportunities to generate significant income from one of the most breathtaking birds in the world. Peacock farming has seen tremendous growth in the past decade, thanks to increasing demand in industries such as interior design, luxury fashion, and ecotourism. While the peacock has long been a symbol of prosperity and status in Chinese culture, its commercial potential has now extended far beyond tradition. More and more farms are emerging across China, carefully breeding and raising these stunning birds under controlled conditions to maximize both quality and profitability. A fully grown peacock is a valuable asset. Depending on its age and feather quality, a single adult bird can be sold for $220 to $250. The rarest varieties, such as white peacocks, fetch even higher prices. Their feathers, particularly the long and iridescent train, are in high demand for decorative and fashion purposes, selling for $2 to $5 per piece, while rare white peacock feathers can command prices of over $20 each. In addition to this, peacock meat, although not widely consumed, is considered a luxury delicacy, with prices reaching $52 to $77 per pound in select markets. With these high values, an efficiently managed peacock farm can generate revenues exceeding $500,000 per year, making it a lucrative alternative to traditional poultry farming. To maximize profits, Chinese farmers have adopted advanced techniques to enhance breeding success and ensure high-quality feather production. One of the most significant advancements in the industry is artificial incubation technology, which has improved the hatch rate of peacock eggs by over 40%. By using temperature-controlled incubators, farmers can carefully regulate humidity and warmth, creating optimal conditions for the eggs to develop successfully. This method eliminates many of the risks associated with natural hatching, where environmental factors and predators often lead to high mortality rates. Beyond incubation, scientifically designed nutrition programs play a crucial role in the development of peacocks, particularly their feathers. A well-balanced diet consisting of high-protein grains, vitamins, and fresh greens ensures that the birds grow strong, with vibrant and healthy plumage. Some farms even include specific supplements rich in carotenoids to enhance the brilliance of the peacock's colors, ensuring they reach maximum market value. Farm infrastructure also plays a key role in maintaining a healthy and profitable flock. Unlike traditional poultry, peacocks require at least 100 square feet per adult bird to roam and display their natural behaviors. Their enclosures must be fitted with fences at least 6 to 7 feet high, as peacocks are excellent flyers and can escape if not properly contained. To prevent losses, many farms install netted roofs over breeding areas, ensuring the birds remain secure while still enjoying an open environment. Since peacocks are highly sensitive to cold temperatures, special climate-controlled shelters are used in winter. Heated perches are installed in many farms to protect the birds' feet from frost, ensuring that they remain active and healthy even in harsh weather. By optimizing temperature and humidity levels year-round, farmers can maintain high-quality production and prevent seasonal feather damage, which could lower the value of their birds. Another key aspect of peacock farming is feather collection. Unlike many animals farmed for their fur or feathers, peacocks naturally shed their long train of feathers once a year during molting season. This allows farmers to collect feathers without harming the birds, making peacock feather production an ethical and sustainable business. Once collected, the feathers are carefully cleaned, sorted by size and quality, and prepared for sale in various industries, including fashion, art, and home decor. Live peacock sales represent another major income stream for Chinese farmers. Many customers purchase peacocks for ecotourism parks, ornamental gardens, and luxury estates, where these birds add an element of prestige and elegance. Some farmers even offer specialized training programs, where peacocks are raised to be more accustomed to human interaction, making them ideal for tourism and high-end private collections. With advancements in genetic selection, breeders can now produce birds with more vibrant and symmetrical feather patterns, further increasing their value. Selective breeding ensures that the best traits, such as long tail length and deep iridescent colors, are passed down to future generations, resulting in superior peacock specimens that command premium prices in the market. To maintain high production levels, disease prevention is a priority for peacock farmers. While peacocks are naturally hardy birds, they are still susceptible to common avian diseases. Regular veterinary checkups, proper sanitation, and carefully monitored feeding programs help reduce the risk of infections. Many farms have implemented biosecurity measures, such as controlled visitor access and disinfecting stations, to prevent contamination and outbreaks that could jeopardize entire flocks. Despite being relatively new compared to other forms of poultry farming, the peacock industry in China is rapidly evolving. With demand rising in both domestic and international markets, farmers are continually refining their techniques to improve efficiency and maximize profits. In the coming years, we can expect further advancements in breeding technology, automated feeding systems, and expanded global trade opportunities for peacock-related products. As China cements its position as a leader in exotic poultry farming, more investors and entrepreneurs are turning their attention to the peacock industry. With careful management, advanced farming techniques, and a growing consumer base, this business is proving to be not only sustainable, but also highly rewarding for those who master its unique challenges. Peacock farming is a clear example of how agriculture continues to evolve, adapting to new market demands and utilizing cutting-edge technologies to maximize returns. From traditional cultural icon to a multi-million-dollar farming opportunity, the journey of the peacock in modern agriculture is nothing short of remarkable. With rising global interest in exotic animals and sustainable farming, one question remains: how far can the peacock industry grow? Will it become a dominant force in the luxury farming sector, or will it remain a niche market catering to exclusive buyers? Only time will tell. One thing is certain: peacock farming is here to stay, offering both beauty and business to those who embrace its potential. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any fascinating content from Farm Marvels.